It could be green or purple, but we'll say green. Let's go with the ball. Did you know carrots can be good?